Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Wednesday evening, a little after 9:30. Winter weather advisory for the areas in purple remains in effect. Starts at 1 o'clock in the morning on Thursday for inland areas away from the coastline and especially northern suburbs. But snow lovers doesn't necessarily mean we're getting a snowstorm. In fact, I really don't see much in the way of snow at all. So the advisory, the concern here is for several hours worth of some sleet and some freezing rain. And we just think, and certainly this is the issuance from the National Weather Service as well, we just feel as though the best chance for anything kind of frozen would be, roughly Providence points north and west, especially up in here, though it doesn't include Kent County. So the coastline essentially just kind of plain old rain. But even up here where we're expecting a little bit of ice and some sleet, you'll change over to a plain non-freezing rain as well. So here's the breakdown. We've got a wintry mixture on the way. Starts at around 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, so pre-dawn Thursday. We'll get maybe 2-3 hours worth of wet snow. Then we'll go over to sleet and then eventually freezing rain and then eventually all rain. In fact, I would say a majority of both the Thursday night right through Friday is rain likely, more so than ice or snow. And some of the rain will be heavy at times. But we do have that concern of some frozen mixture early in the morning on Thursday inland. And on Friday, Friday's essentially a rainstorm. However, Friday evening, Friday night, it may end as some light snow showers. It turns a lot colder over the weekend. It actually will feel more like winter come Saturday and Sunday. Sunshine Saturday, a lot colder. Just a snow shower Sunday, nothing too serious, certainly not a snowstorm. All right, so here's a satellite and radar composite, and you can see the moisture coming up from the south and west. Still south and west of New York City as of 9:30 this evening, and this is all tracking in our area during the overnight and right on through Thursday. Let me widen out the view some more. And really just tracking waves of moisture. The first one obviously coming up for late tonight into Thursday, and then the Gulf is just producing more moisture coming out of it, and there's more precipitation headed our way for Thursday night into Friday. Some of that in the form of rain may actually be heavy at times. So we're getting real close here. I'm going to walk you through it hour by hour. Now, the gray represents the cloud cover. The different colors are precipitation type. So we get into the pre-dawn hours. Now, this is 3 a.m., so we're still, almost 4 hours from sunrise on Thursday. And for a few hours, you get some wet snow in blue. This pink is a mix of sleet and freezing rain, and the green is just plain, and yellow is just plain rain. Here we are, 7 a.m. For the most part, it's a chilly rain and some fog, but areas north and west of 295, especially north and west of 95, and especially north and west of 295, right in here. Be mindful that some untreated surfaces may be slippery. Temperatures around the freezing mark. So that's 7 a.m. By noontime, a lot of green. So this is just kind of a plain, cool, kind of a chilly rain. And we'll keep the damp, raw, kind of chilly weather through 6 o'clock in the evening. For the evening commute, this is essentially rain. Temperatures in the upper 30s. So even though we're not talking ice or snow or sleet for the evening commute, allow for some extra travel time, reduce visibility, maybe some big puddles on the road. So kind of take it slow. And then later Thursday night, another surge of rain coming up the coastline. Snowfall forecast. I just show you this just to give you an idea that really not expecting much in the way of accumulation, if at all. So, once you get north of Worcester, actually north of Woonsocket, maybe out towards Bellingham and south of the Mass Pike, you may get some small coatings. That's it. So this isn't, snow shovels and snow plows not required. In fact, with the snow that comes in around 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, you sleep through it, you wake up, you never even know it came through. So snow's not an issue. And here's the breakdown for your Thursday morning, looking at that frozen mixture early, especially northwestern suburbs. Mainly rain by 10 o'clock in the morning and beyond. And during the afternoon, we're above freezing. It's in the lower 40s, and this is rain, drizzle, and fog. So wet, cool, gray afternoon and evening with temps that'll be in the lower 40s. Again, mainly a rain situation here on Friday. Now, it may end as a snow shower Friday night, but all this green you see is rain for Friday into at least Friday evening. And then later Friday night, as it turns windy and colder, it may end as a snow shower. Nothing more than that. So Friday is essentially an umbrella day. Look at Saturday. Sunshine, but chilly. It's been a while since we talked about wind chills, but, Saturday morning, wind chill temperatures running, like 10 to 15 degrees. So bright sunshine, but windy and a lot colder. Very cold Saturday night. And that snow shower for Sunday is just that, a snow shower, not a snowstorm. High temperature coming in at only 35 degrees. So, winter weather advisory for the early morning hours of Thursday, especially areas from roughly Providence points north and west. Snow's not too much of an issue. It is essentially sleet and freezing rain, so anything untreated early in the morning might be slippery. So that's your latest Weather Now updates. Rather active next couple of days. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.